Today, we're going all out with a recipe that's perfect with everything from spaghetti to veggie-packed salads. It's a souped-up garlic bread that has not one or two, but 3 cheeses in it. In fact, it's one of my new guilty pleasures. And let me show you how easy it is. The first thing we do is cut a loaf of Italian bread in half lengthwise and set it aside. Now, we saute some coarsely chopped garlic in butter over low heat until it begins to brown. You want to keep the heat low so the garlic softens and doesn't burn. Next, we combine some super creamy mascarpone cheese with a bit of milk, shredded mozzarella, Parmesan, a little salt, and our sauteed garlic. We'll give this a mix, spread this onto our bread, sprinkle it with chopped parsley, and bake it off. In about 10 minutes, when the whole house smells like a pizzeria, it's ready to cut and serve. Just one bite is all it'll take to make you understand what makes this my new dinnertime guilty pleasure. To get the recipe for our 3-cheese garlic bread, all you need to do is check out our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a triple cheesy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.